Stop right there. Before you strap on those goggles, before you launch that drone, you need to understand that the world of FPV flying is about to be thrown into chaos. DJI didn't just iterate on the Avata, they reinvented it. They took the safest, most accessible Cinewhoop on the planet and injected it with raw, uncut FPV adrenaline. I'm talking about the machine that everyone is buzzing about, the rumored, the revolutionary, the DJI Avata 3. The sensor and image quality leap, the number one complaint about the original Avata? The image quality was good, but not great. It was a safety net, not a cinematic beast. That changes now. The most consistent leak surrounding the Avata 3 points to a massive sensor upgrade. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're moving away from the tiny sensor and stepping into something closer to the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor, but with enhanced light-gathering capabilities. Why does this matter? True low-light performance. Imagine flying through a dense forest canopy or capturing a sunset cityscape without the crushing noise and artificial sharpening. The Avata 3 isn't just seeing the dark, it's revealing the details within it. But the real game-changer is the rumored frame rate bump. Leaks suggest the Avata 3 will finally deliver true, internal 4K resolution at a stable 120 frames per second. This isn't just for slow-motion effects. This is for buttery smooth, immersive flying, where every hairpin turn and near-miss is rendered with liquid precision. This makes your footage look professional, regardless of your flying skill. And finally, the field of view. FPV pilots crave wide, immersive views. Rumor has it the Avata 3's native lens will be wider than the Avata 2, perhaps pushing past the 155-degree mark, making those tight proximity shots feel absolutely gargantuan. But getting that huge image into the goggles, that's where the true technological wizardry happens. The O4 Plus transmission and goggle evolution, minutes 9 to 16. The heart of any FPV drone is the video link. If you lose the signal, you lose the shot. The Avata 2 brought us the O4 transmission system, which was fast, but let's be honest, it wasn't perfect in urban environments. The Avata 3 is supposedly launching with O4 Plus, a heavily optimized version designed for maximum penetration and stability. Leaks indicate a new 4-antenna design that actively searches and switches frequencies with unprecedented speed. This means safer flying, further range, and most importantly for us, a rock-solid HD feed with near-zero latency right into your eyes. Now, let's talk about those eyes. The new DJI Goggles 3.5 or whatever they call them, are rumored to be the biggest comfort and feature leap yet. We're talking about lighter weight, improved diopter adjustments, and crucially, an external vision pass-through with AR overlays. Imagine seeing the real world through the goggles while the drone's telemetry and warnings are subtly overlaid, allowing you to quickly look around your launch point or manage your spotter without lifting the headset. This feature alone drastically reduces the friction for new FPV pilots. And for the pros, the rumors hint at a complete redesign of the internal screens, moving towards higher contrast and wider color gamut OLEDs, giving you a true cinematic preview of your 4K/120p footage while you fly. The immersion factor is about to be cranked to 11.